In this series, we're going to be going over the basics of the tangent ratio on a right triangle. And after you see a few examples, you'll be able to figure them out yourself. If you haven't already, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching. Let's begin now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. In this triangle, angle B is 44.51 degrees and side YD is 5.8, and we're to find this length of side BY. So let's write in the information that we know. Angle B is 44.51 degrees, length of YD is 5.8, and we're going to find the length of BY. So we'll call that X, our unknown. So the length of BY is X. Let's identify the sides of our right triangle. The side that's opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, and that won't come into play in this equation. We know angle B, and we know the side opposite angle B is 5.8, and we're looking for the side adjacent to angle B. And when we know the opposite and looking for the adjacent, the ratio that we're going to use is tangent, opposite over adjacent. So knowing that, we can set up our equation. The tangent of B, which is 44.51 degrees, equals opposite over adjacent. The side opposite B is 5.8, and the side adjacent to B is X, our unknown. So to solve this equation for X, let's multiply both sides by X. We get X times the tangent of 44.51 degrees equals 5.8. And now we can divide through by tangent of 44.51. X equals 5.8 divided by the tangent of 44.51 degrees. And now it's just a matter of typing this in on a calculator. 5.8 divided by tangent 44.51 degrees is 5.9001. So that'll round to 5.9 to one decimal place. So the length of side X is 5.9, and we use the tangent to find it. In this right triangle, angle K is 30.22 degrees and side KQ is 0.91, and we're to find the length of NQ. Let's write in the information that we know. Angle K is 30.22 degrees and side KQ is 0.91, and NQ is what we're looking for. We'll call it X. That's this side up here. Angle K is the one that we know, and we're looking for the side opposite angle K, that's X, and we know the side adjacent to angle K is 0.91. So looking for the opposite side and knowing the adjacent side, we're going to use the tangent, opposite over adjacent. So let's set up our equation for the tangent. Tangent of angle K, which is 30.22 degrees, equals the opposite side, opposite over adjacent. Opposite side is X, that's the one that we're looking for, and the adjacent side is 0.91. To solve for X, we can multiply both sides by 0.91. So we have 0.91 times the tangent of 30.22 degrees equals X. And now we can just type this into our calculator. 0.91 times tangent 30.22 equals 0.5301. We can call that 0.53. So X is 0.53, and we use the tangent to find it. In this right triangle, we know angle Z is 78.69 degrees. We're looking for side PA, and we know ZA is 0.52. So let's write in the information that we know. Angle Z is 78.69 degrees, and side ZA is 0.52. Side PA is what we're looking for. We'll call it X. We'll put an X here. And let's identify the sides of the right triangle. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, which we don't know in this case. We do know angle Z, and the side that we're looking for, X, is opposite angle Z, and the side that we do know is 0.52, which is adjacent to side Z. So when we're looking for the opposite side and we know the adjacent side, the ratio we want to use is the tangent, opposite over adjacent. So let's set up our equation for the tangent. Tangent of angle Z, which is 78.69 degrees, equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite side is X, and the adjacent side is 0.52. To solve for X, we can multiply through by 0.52. We get 0.52 times tangent of 78.69 degrees equals X. And now using a calculator, multiply 0.52 times tangent 78.69, and we get 2.5999, which is pretty close to 2.6. So we'll call it 2.6, rounded to one decimal place. So our X is 2.6, and we use the tangent to find it. And that's how we can use the tangent ratio to find sides of a right triangle.